Well, Didi, yesterday was all about speed and going fast. Today, it's all about going slow and steady and keeping your eyes open. That's why we got you.
That's right. We are at the Bear River Migratory Bird Refuge in
Utah.
northern Utah. Got a lot of commotion going on behind us. And today we're going to spend the morning doing some bird watching here. One of our favorite places to stop when we're out west.
For the bird nerd.
Yeah. Way out there, there's some grebes and pelicans and swallows. I don't know if you can see right down there, there's a lot of carp in the water.